So got in the mail the Moto Z4. This is the pre-order edition with the Moto Z360 camera. So, opening it up, we'll do a live unboxing here for you. Well, not necessarily live, but unboxing for you here. So, down the side, and over here. All right. As we unopen it, there we go. To the side. Okay, here we are, inside. So, hello Moto on top. And there it is. On top, it's got the touch screen or screen protector. Like we thought, raised camera lens there. Rounded, feels very comfortable in the hand. Yeah, feels very comfortable. All right, let's see what else is in the package. We've got a box. We've got a piece of cardboard. And then it looks like the accessory pack is right here. So we'll open up the accessory pack, and inside we've got the manuals. We've got SIM card extraction tool. We've got a USB, what is that, USB-C to USB-A cable, and a USB-A power adapter. Okay, set that to the side, and also in the package would be the 360 camera. Sure, everybody's looking forward to seeing how. Yep, and that's it. Okay, so I'll set that to the side. So here's the 360 camera. We'll look at that. So it appears like it's very similar to every other mod. You've got camera top around the camera itself, so you can pull that off or take that on, clean it, and then you've got this dust cover, it looks like right here. Pull that off. I'll set that to the side. Yellow on the inside, white on the outside, and fits magnetically to the back of the camera, or the back of the Z4. There is a slight bump there where it is where it connects. It doesn't feel too bad. It's not seamless, but at the same time, it doesn't add much bulk to the phone itself. So anyways, that's how it fits on. Alright guys, please subscribe, like my channel, subscribe to it, and we'll get in first steps, or first use of the camera. We'll shoot some video with the 360 and all that happy stuff. Leave comments in the leave comments in the comment section letting me know what you're interested in seeing, what functions you're looking at seeing being used and whatnot. Alright guys, have a good one. See you soon.